Guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Gunga Peas Stew. Let's get into it. First of all, I'm going to start by putting everything into this pan so I can saute it down. So I'm going to put 1 onion, 2 garlic clovers, 2 bay peppers, some celery, 2 spring onions, and some thyme. And now I'm going to saute this down for 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
Now that's done, it's time for the next step. So I'm going to add 1 tin of Gunga peas, 1 large tomato, some coconut milk, some water, and some all-purpose seasoning, black pepper and salt. And I'm also going to add 1 Scotch bonnet. This is optional depending on how spicy you want it. And remember, don't make this pop in your food unless you like your food really spicy. Now I'm going to mix this up. And now I'm going to leave this to cook down on a medium heat for 20 minutes. See you after it's done. Now that's done and it has been plated, it's time to tuck in. This is delicious. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed and see you next time.